In this video, we will learn how to use concatenate function in Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, the concatenate function is used to join together multiple strings into the one combined string. So let's see how it's done. So here you see I have here some data, first name and last name. So I'm using the concatenate function to combine these both names. So just select the cell, use the is equal to, write the concatenate, select the concatenate function, tap it and select the first name, comma, then last name and bracket close and just enter. Here you see suggested autofill show here and just click OK. The all data is filled below cell also. So here you see the space between the two name is not showing here. So for space you have to edit this formula to insert the space or other characters between the concatenate item. Include them as a separated within the double quotes. So let's see how it's do. I just edit this formula and after the first name and comma I used here the double quote, then use here the some space, then again use here the double quote, comma and enter. So see here the space is showing between the two names. Then I drag this formula below the cell, the all name showing the space. And if you want to full name in uppercase, lowercase and proper case, then you can use here the upper function, lower function and proper function. So let's see how it's do. Use the is equal to, enter the upper in bracket, select the full name and just enter. Suggested autofill, just click on OK. If you want the lowercase, is equal to, write the lower, select the function and select the full name and bracket close, just enter, click on the autofill. Same for the proper, is equal to, write the proper, select the proper function, select the full name and bracket close. Now if you want to use the upper, lower and proper function with the concatenate function, then you can use it. So you can use the one time function with the concatenate. If you want the uppercase name, so you can use the concatenate function with the upper function also. So let's see how it's do. I just delete this all details here and I'm using here upper function, then I use here concatenate. Okay, then I select the first name, use the comma, double quote to space, again use the comma and select the last name and bracket close and just enter. Here you see the full name with the uppercase and just drag this formula. Okay, so same as here I use here the lower function, then I use here concatenate, then I select here first name, comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma and select this last name and bracket closed and click on the autofill option. Same here, see all the lower case with the full name. Again I use here the proper, in proper select the proper, then use the concatenate, then select the first name, double quote, space, double quote, comma, last name, bracket close, enter. Here see in proper first letter is a capital, then is a lower letter. This is a way you see the proper name is showing here. So hope you understand. If you like these, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.